Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of Posh, and man, I've been selling a ton of stuff. Let's see what it is.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so we're gonna get into what we sold. This is a duck women's draped cardigan, 2XL. It sold for $10, but my earnings were $7.05. I paid $1 for it, so $6.05 is what I earned on that one. And then my next item is a bundle of 2 hats, this really cool black hat and this really cool blue kind of fedora, straw fedora. Between the 2 of them, I spent $1 a piece on each, so that's $2 that I have invested. My earnings were $5.25, so $3.25 is after I pay myself back what I actually earned. My next item is another blue hat, but this is just a one-time thing. $5.05, so $1 is what I paid for that, so $4.05 are my earnings on that one. I'm adding everything up on the board so you can kind of see live what all I earned in 2 days worth of sales on Posh. The next thing that I sold are these really fancy, look at those things, fancy looking size 12 men's dress shoes, Gino Vitale. Very, very nice. Those were $4 is what I paid for those. My earnings were $36, so take off the $4. I've got $32 of earnings on that. And then the next item I have is another pair of shoes. It's a pair of men's slip-on loafers. They're Henry Ferreira and they're black. They look just like this. Really nice shape. I spent $4 on those ones, earned $3.25. And so at least I earned some of my money back, but that would put me at an earnings of negative 75 cents on that item. But you know, I had to get them gone. All right, these, this purse here, I spent $6 a piece on each one of these purses. I sold them not in a bundle, but 6 a piece. I earned $6.25 on both of them. They were separate orders, so I actually only earned 25 cents on each one of those. But they have been on my store for a long, long time, and so I went ahead and just got them gone. Alrighty, this next set is a bundle. So I have got a 38D bra. I've got a nice shirt, a corduroy jacket, and a men's Love spinner ring. It's a stainless steel ring. I have a bunch of these stainless steel rings. Some of them say love, some of them say Jesus. Check out my hookedonpickin.com store. But with all 4 of those items, I've got 50 cents in this, 50 cents in this, so that's $1 plus another 50 cents here, so that's $1.50. And then I have $1 invested in this, so $1.50 plus another $1 is $2.50. I actually earned $16.80. So $16.80 minus the $2.50 is $14.30. So $14.30 on that whole bundle. So that was definitely a good deal. I love bundles because I usually make the most money on my bundles. This is another bundle. It's a 2-part bundle. It comes with this shirt, which I paid 50 cents for. And then these Sociology navy blue cute heels, which I paid $4 for. So $4.50 is what I've got invested in that one. I earned $17 minus the $4.50 is going to be 7 minus 4 is 3. So $12.50 for that. I do the math right? I think I did the math right on that one. All right. And then I've got another set. This is, I actually sold it in a set of 2 shirts. So it was one listing. So it actually was not a bundle, but those were 50 cents a piece. So $1 invested, I earned $8.25. So $7.25 is what I get to pocket on that set. That is a bundle of 2 Puritan 2XL small plaid, or not small, yes, plaid shirts. So it's a burgundy and a blue. And then I have a really pretty robe that I sold for $20, and I have $3.50 invested in that. And so I earned $16. So $3.50 minus 16, $12.50 is what I earned on that one. Let me see. I've got a pair of blue jeans right here. 50 cents is what I paid on that. $2.05 is my earnings. So $1.55 is what I get to pocket. And then I have another bundle of 2 scarves. So this was $1 from a bulk box, and this was $1 from a bulk box. So I've got $2 invested. My earnings were $7.05 on that one. And so $5.05 is what I earned on that bundle. See, I love bundles. I feel like I make a lot more money with those bundles. And then here's another one, $6 for this purse. $8.05 is what I earned. So $2.05 is what I get to pocket on that. And then I've got this crown ring. I paid $1 for them in the cash and carry section at ASD Market Week. I earned $1.05, so I made a whopping 5 cents on that ring. But I've had them on there for a while, and I'm okay with getting them off there because that's one less thing I have to share. All right, the next thing that I have is a Henry Ferrera pair of men's slip-on casual comfort loafers. These are really, really a nice shape. They have the cork bottom in the bottom of them. So I spent $4 on this pair of shoes, and I earned $14.20. So $10.20 is what I earned. The next one is a huge bundle, and so I'm going to try to add it all up as I go. I sold this hat, which is $4, and then I sold this. Let me open up this bundle so I can tell you. This is a sweater, which was 50 cents, so I'm at $4.50. Pair of earrings for 50 cents, so I'm at $5. A pair of yoga pants, so like athletic active pants, so I'm at $5 plus another 50 cents, $5.50. Here's a New York & Company top, another 50 cents, so $6, and another 50 cents for this one. So I'm at $6.50 for the total bundle of all of these items, and I earned $36.80, and so $30.30 is where I'm at for my earnings. So that was a great one to do. The nice thing about bundles is they get to, only have to be charged one shipping price. So that really helps them out for purchasing. Then I've got this hat. I paid $2 for it out of a bulk box. I earned $1.25. So I ended up with a negative 75 cents on that. But that's okay because that came in a bulk box with a bunch of hats, and I made more on some of those ones over there. So they kind of all even out in the long run. And hey, I'm making back $1.25 of the money I've already spent. Here's a pair of shorts that I sold. These came out of a bulk box for $1. I earned $1.25, so 25 cents is my earnings on that. I will at the end add it all up and then tell you how many sets of orders that I have. So that'll give you another idea too. So stay tuned for that. This was a 50-cent Goodwill outlet buy, not a Goodwill store buy, but a Goodwill outlet buy. So 50 cents, I earned $2.05, so $1.55 is where I'm at for my earnings there. And then I have another sweater. This one I got from my mother-in-law, so I didn't have to pay anything for it. So I will get to pay her $5.05. Let me see. And then this also came from my mother-in-law. It's a set of 3 pantyhose. And so I'll get to give her $3.25 is what I earned after fees. Just so you know, this is not what they sold for. It's what I actually earned after the fees and shipping and all that fun stuff. So this is total in-pocket money. I've got another pair of shoes, Gino Vitale, really, really nice pair of black ones with a suede center, size 12, really super sharp. I paid $4. This is $23.80 is what I earned, so $19.80 is my earnings on that. Then I've got a hat, I paid $1 for this hat because it came in a box with a bunch of different stuff. I earned 25 cents on the hat. So again, I'm at a negative 75 cents. But like I said, it's balancing out to make up some money. All right, I've got another pair of shoes here, back here. A Braveman pair of men's, really nice. They're kind of a brown suede, nice pair of shoes. I paid $4 for those. $21.60 is what I earned. So $17.60 are my earnings after I pay myself back for what it costs. Then I've got a bathing suit here for 50 cents is what I got it for at the Goodwill outlet. $11.80 is what I earned. That's a really good one. $11.80. It's a really cute suit. I almost kept it myself, but wrong size. $11.80. So once I take off my 50 cents, I'm at $11.30 on that swimsuit. So just that one item. And then I've got a really cute tank top here, Old Navy tank top, size large. 50 cents is what I paid at a Goodwill outlet for that. $6.25 is what I earned. So $5.75 is what I get to pocket. Then I have these adorable, and I have more than one of these, so I'm gonna kind of plug it. Check my Posh store. This is a milestone photo blanket. So it's a baby blanket you lay your baby on, and it's got little angel wings you can see here, and then a little halo, and you put your baby where the halo is kind of at the top. And then it's got a whole little side where you put a little like a circle around the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 months. So it's got all 12 months, so you can lay the baby on this little blanket and kind of take photos. It's really awesome. It's 40 inches by 30 inches, super, super soft, and they're all packaged brand new. Anyway, oops, sorry. Good thing it's in a plastic bag. So $11.80 is what I earned on that. I actually paid $7 for that blanket purchase-wise. So I've got a bunch more if you'd like them. So 7 minus 11 is $4.80 is what I earned on that blanket. And then I've got another bundle of 2 sets of shoes. So I've got a pair of Sociology cute boots. They're very similar to those blue ones I pulled out, but they're gray. They're called mushroom gray is the color. So that was $4 is what I spent on that. And then this is a really cool pair of white loafer men's shoes. Look at those. They've got the little Vlado lion kind of looking thing, and then it's got Vlado written on the back. So those are really sharp loafers, and they come all packaged up with a bunch of extra fun stuff. So we're gonna leave all that in there. So $8 is what I have fully invested in that. $17.40 on this bundle. And so $9.40 is what I earned on those 2 pairs of shoes. And then I've got a blue top. This was a Goodwill outlet buy for 50 cents. $3.05 is my earnings. So $2.55 is what I get to pocket. Just a couple more things and then we're done. So then I have this little cross that I sold. I actually paid 65 cents for this. $2.05 is what I earned on it. And so $1.40 is what my profit is. And then the last thing that I have for my 2 days worth of sales is a pair of Wrangler jeans that I got from my mother-in-law, because they used to be my father-in-law's, but he got thin like the rest of us. So $4.05 is what I earned. So I'll be able to pay my mother-in-law $4.05 for being able to sell that. So this is after all the fees and after all the shipping. So this is actual in-pocket money after I pay myself back. So I'm going to add all this up and tell you how many orders it is for 2 days worth of sales on Posh. Okay, I've got everything added up for 2 days worth of Posh sales. Remember, only 2 days. And so I had 32 separate orders, more than that for items, but 32 separate orders for a total of $226.10. $226.10. That actually averages out to just a little more than $7 an order. That's way better than garage sale prices. And that's after I paid back all the money that I actually spent on the products itself. So I'm okay with making $226.10 every 2 days. So hopefully this has been helpful to see what I sold this 2 days on Posh. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me and my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.